Coming.
Yeah, can you throw it in there?
Huh?
Did you talk? Get up. Are you sure?
Alfred. Alfred.
I thought alright. I'm sorry, no, I thought it was sorry, sir. Sorry, yeah, alright. Really, that's on the picture, that's all it is.
Huh? Huh?
Only one! Only one!
Huh?
Hello? Dad?
Yeah.
Yeah, do us a favour. I've set up the eye scanner thing on it. Will you just try and scan your eyes, see if it lets you in? Just take... Try other one. Yeah, just cover your nose, because it's picking up your nose. Hang on, cover your nose.
I've got a big nose.
No. Try shutting one eye. The other one. Just back a bit. Try shut both eyes. Now let go of your nose.
You're taking the neck out of me now. Got me key.
Huh?
Did you have a good time?
Yes. I got you something.
What do you mean you got me something?
I did. What the? Bourbon.
You took bourbon from them?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I know you like bourbon.
Josh, you can't just take. I mean, I do like it, but you can't just take it from them.
But you like it.
Literally cracking up. Amelia was just doing that, and I spoke to her on the monitor, and she pretended she was asleep. Amelia, no. Oh my god.
Huh?
I'm so sorry. I don't know how you didn't wake up with all I'm so sorry.
Ah dear. This was Pam's idea. I had to send this to you, by the way, just so you know. Because obviously I would never do anything to embarrass Pamela.
Oh, Trev's come out. He must be near the side of my car.
Hide him.
We didn't actually see this bit, did we?
No. Oh, fuck, he went straight in there. Little shit. I'd be giving him a kicking if it was me. You'd be having a right to shoot him behind the van.
I bet he's in the van. I bet he's still in the van. Oh, what a bastard. Naughty Trevor.
He's having a run up.
He obviously likes a bit of Graham. I wouldn't have left it. I'd have just ran over the turkey and gone.
It's not very good on your CV though, is it? If you had to leave a job because the turkey attacked you and you got a kick in, I suppose.
We can't see the camera.
He must have been quite seriously scared of him, I think. Well, he is a big lad, isn't he? He's like a bird of prey size, isn't he? He's big. Been waiting all week to greet somebody to come out the drive.
To make sure he's back in.
I wonder if a stranger did run out to him and grab him and pick him out. I wonder what he'd do. He knows me, doesn't he, I suppose?
Oh, poor Graham.
He ain't very old, is he?
I feel quite sorry for him, really. It's a bit traumatic, isn't it?
He's trying to scan his boxes and he can't because the bloody turkey's on him.
Bless him.
Hey, Trev, don't want the box.
That's quite traumatic, I think.
Trev actually wants the driver, he don't want the box.
Look at him. Maybe he's just protecting us.
Well, why does he do it against you though?
Yeah, but he does it to men though, doesn't he? Cause
Oh yeah, he does.
just not you, because he knows that you get a beating. Or level.
I didn't think he was that intelligent, really.
That's full DPD commitment, that is, though.
Have another go.
It's gone, I'm doing it. Oh no, man. No. Where's Trevor now?
Down this.
Oh, there he is. Look at it. Oh, yeah. Got my products. Fair play to that DVD.
Ha! Got you.